markets in the world today. And as much as I love Europe and the US, if I want to make money, my product's got to be in Asia. So we're really pushing that. The other thing, and I'm going to make an announcement.
Yes,
I'm very proud to say that so this year too, for the first time, we're pushing as part of that distribution brick and mortar. And so where we're in a really, really tough retail place in this country and in a lot of places, we were trying to decide where can we be that would be stable. And through our agent and setting up meetings, we signed a deal for our new bedding collection with APHIS, which is based right here in Dallas, which stands for Army Air Force Exchange. So this
That's
is,
great.
yeah,
That's a big deal.
APHIS is the largest and most stable retailer in the world. So this month, January, we're launching our bedding collection through APHIS, all the stores worldwide and on .com. And with major presence in the 55 top stores around the globe. So this is, but remember too, it's taken us almost 6 years to get to this point where you finally see those purchase orders and go, oh Jesus, I'm going to make some money this year.